What up, people? This is Arod A. Millie y bienvenidos to my YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest, Taylor that Dancer, y le voy a estar haciendo un curly undercut design. And my clipper of choice is the all-new Wall Pro Cordless Legend. Thank you to all my subscribers. Gracias a todos mis suscriptores que cada día ven mis videos. Thank you all. I appreciate you. If you're not subscribed and you like my content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload some haircut videos. Let's get it. This is Arod A. Millie. Let's go. So what I just did right now is that I evened out the sides. I kind of cleaned up the lineup, getting familiar with the head shape. That's gonna give me more range on the creativity level, and it will come out fire. Let's go. When I'm doing designs, I always try to keep it simple but clean at the same time. You'll see. One of my main keys is using the corner of the blade as a pencil. The trimmers you see on screen right now is the Cordless Wall Pro Detailer LIs. You see right now on the screen is my own signature Arod A. Millie blade holder, available at www.lv3.com. and down below I'm gonna leave you all the links where you can get every product that's been used in this video. Take a second and shout out all the barbers in the world. Thank you for everything you do for this industry. Thank you for the support. Without you guys, I couldn't be here doing what I do. Thank you. Let me know down below in the comments where you from, what barbershop you represent. Gracias a todos mis barberos a nivel mundial. Gracias por el apoyo. Gracias por lo que hacen por esta industria. Y déjenme saber abajo en los comentarios qué barbería y qué país representas. Empiezo yo. Level 3 Studios, Chicago, Illinois, Puerto Rico, PR. Thank you for everybody that follows me here on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and on Facebook. We already more than 1 million followers on TikTok. I appreciate you. Thank you. Gracias a todo el mundo que me sigue aquí en mi canal de YouTube, en Instagram, en Facebook y en TikTok. Ya somos más de 1 millón de seguidores en TikTok y la familia sigue creciendo. Gracias a todos. We've reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. So if you liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Gracias a todo el mundo que estuvo aquí hasta el final del video. Lo amo, mi gente. No sé qué sería sin ustedes. Si te gusta el video, dale like. Si no estás suscrito, suscríbete a mi canal. Dale a la campanita para que te lleguen notificaciones cada vez que suba un video. Hasta la próxima, mi gente. Les dice arod, Millie. Let's go.